Who else loves banga soup just like I do? So here I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple, basic banga soup recipe. So here just I'm seasoning my protein, which is cow hide, and of course I now put my pepper mix and cover my pot, allow it to steam. So when it has cooked to a certain level, I'm now adding my smoked turkey to it, and that's because for the obvious reason the turkey is already cooked, like it's smoked already, right? So I'm putting it a bit later, and I now added my stockfish. Those stockfish gives it that unique flavor. Okay, so that's why I added. Now I now discover, oopsie, the pot is too small. I don't think we're gonna use this to make our banga soup. Now I'm transferring it into a bigger pot. So here is my banga paste. So banga paste is gotten from palm nut, so it's basically palm nut paste. Okay, and palm nut is gotten from the palm nut fruit, from the palm nut tree. Oh yeah, and from here, from the palm nut, we make palm oil, which is popularly known as the red oil. Okay, so back to the soup. So here we are turning and stirring. Everything is looking good. And I added my crayfish, very important ingredient. Crayfish is very, very important. There is no banga soup without crayfish, so take note. So while everything is looking so good and the aroma fills the air, it's like, oh my gosh, we got to add some vegetable. This is optional. Some people don't like adding vegetable, but I do. So I added bitter leaf vegetable on this particular recipe. So choose the vegetable of your choice, okay? I like pairing it up with bitter leaf, sometimes with scent leaf, but today was bitter leaf, and voila, our plate of banga soup with some yummy shears protein is ready. What swallow would you be pairing this up? Let me know in the comment section. And for more recipe like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ngozi Atiti Vlogs. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.